well, never mind. We're doing it here.
Are we even allowed to do it here? Is it legal?
It is totally legal.
Okay, this is our man test. Who wants to explain what the man test is? Brett, Tommy.
See what the man test is it snowed last night a lot, and we figured, what would prove our manliness? And we're like, shirtless push-ups in the snow.
But notice, we're saying this with Jason Mraz playing. Turn Jason Mraz down. This is totally emasculating. Oh my God, this is cold. God, I'm already cold. Come on.
Oh my God, it's gotta be... I'm fucking cold.
Tommy, get the camera. God, get the camera.
Let's go for it. Fucking go for it.
Oh God!
Go! Wait!
Holy shit!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
You gotta
Go!
God dang it. This is so scary. Fuck it!
Yes!
No!
Yeah!
Oh shit, don't see my face!
It's so cold!
Did anybody else get a hug? Did anybody else get a hug?
No, just Tommy. So that's our man test.
We are men.
I think I did the most, and
Look at my wrists! Oh my God, they're like brick.
It's not that bad.
Look at the discolored. What is that color on my wrists?
Oh no, that's the end. Bye!
We're just at the Rock of Gainesville,
Beast Rock.
where everything is written on it, and by some coincidence, look out, the beast.
It says beast.
So we must do shirtless push-ups on the rock.
There's water on it.
Dip your chest in the water.
What?
Dip your chest in the water.
No!
Dip your nipple in the water. Do it.
Nipple in water.
Okay, my turn.
You hold it, I got my shirt on. Dip your nipple in the water. Line it up. Dip your nipple in the water.
Other nipple.
It's ever so cold. Ever. Oh my God, fuck you.
Your turn, Tommy.
I think that's a cop.
So what is he gonna do? Stop doing push-ups. He comes around.
Oh, we're all gonna be so very sick.
Dip your nipple in the water. To the car.
Oh, man.
To the car.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh. Oh. Oh, my nipple's like an icicle. Get your shirt.
Bro five.
Bro five. Bro five. Bro five. Okay, so Brett's beautiful idea right now If you can see we're on a little hill.
A little hill?
A little hill. From here, it looks like a little hill.
But from out there.
Brett's gonna roll down it. It's covered in snow. It's about 30 degrees. I know it ain't too cold, but in Georgia, it's fucking cold.
It is.
And,
Georgia, stay warm.
Brett's getting ready. Oh my god. Black guy with a football. Didn't think we were gonna see that.
He's like, I'm gonna beat you guys to it.
Oh man, I would laugh so hard if he fucking dove off the side. Pump it up, Brett. Pump it up.
Mask is off.
Blood is pumping.
Ah! That wind is so cold. I don't know. I can't tell. It's all covered in snow, bro. There's that black guy. I think you should roll towards him. He's in gym shorts, by the way. Come back up, Brett. You got some air on that. Was that fun? I want to do it now.
I was rolling, I was like,
should I do it now?
yeah, go.
I have a 10.5 inch rod.
Oh, my legs are so fucking cold.
I don't have a hoodie.
I have a 10.5 inch rod in my leg.
My leg.
I kind of see your path. I'm gonna try to follow that.
It's like, okay, bye. The camera is shaking.
Wait, I got shit in my pocket.
I got it, dog. Oh my god, it's kind of cold, dogs. What the F, bros? Don't leave me out. You guys staring at the cars. Makes me cool and whatnot.
This is a horrible idea. Horrible. I don't have a hoodie on.
F it, bro. Take your shirt off.
No.
Oh my god. That was so fast.
See, you guys have stories like punching yourselves, and I have a rod in my leg, and I'm kind of scared to do it.
That was like the fastest rolling down a hill I've ever.
How you feel, Brian?
I feel like I'm dying.
I feel like dying.
Oh god. I'm so cold.
Some guy looked at you and was like, what? What is he doing? Get back in the car, bros. Gotta go. Gotta go. Yeah, F that. I'm not doing it. Somebody's gotta stay warm. You can see me in the mirror.
You rolled down that hill so fast.
Brett, you said K-bye and jumped to your death. That was really funny.
I was like, okay, Brett punched himself in the face and I'm putting arms down, and I went
Right as I was about to push you too, Brett. Like, you just did it anyway. I thought about just pushing you. It'd be
oh my
fun.
god, I'm so cold. My arms are on fire. They're turning red.
I want to do it, but I have a rod in my leg and it might bust.
My knee is purple.
I don't know if it's snow-proof.
My knee is purple.
And Brett punched himself in the face and you punched yourself in the side.
Because they're so fucking cold. I don't even feel my legs right now. It's my freaking elbows. I was just tucked and rolled as fast as I could.
Dude, you just gave like so many people laughter. We're giving back.
Okay, I know I have a back right here, but I can't feel it.
It's cool. Whatever.
I can't feel it. Is it red?
Man.
Oh, it's bloody too.
Bloody? What?
Yeah, totally.
Dude, you're bleeding. I really want to do this.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
But I have a rod in my leg, dude. What if it hurts so bad? I don't have any painkillers or anything.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
Oh. On to the next man test.
Guys, you just gotta give
I'm
me.
bleeding in several places.
You just gotta give me a man test that I can do and nobody else does.
Oh my god.
What are we gonna do next? Jump off a building?
Saved like a bitch.